Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to walk you through what we are going to create in this course. So we are going to design story flow just like Instagram story or WhatsApp story or Facebook story. So let me show you what we are going to create. So we have functionality to upload story. So when I click here, I have functionality to upload any story here. So let me choose this one or even this one, internet safety. Over here, I have functionality to cancel the story or post the story. So as you can see, I've posted it and we have a notification here as you can see here. So when I click here, I'll be able to see my story and also post it if I want. Right. So there is it. Not only that, we also have functionality to upload a video story. So it's not only image story. We have functionality to upload video story and also we have functionality to also what upload text story. So let me type in something here. Awesome. So as you can see here, the text over is showing here. I also have functionality to change the background color of the text. That's the background color. Okay. So I think black would do. And also I have functionality to change the font size. So this is what I want. Then I click on post story. So when I check mine, so as you can see here, awesome, which is great. Not only that, I also have functionality to see those that I'm following their story. So this is it. I'm following Blues Bobby. So as you can see here, this is what we have. We have a story here, which you can see. I can view a story, and also we have the highlights here. For now, you have not created any highlights. So we have three story, two followers, zero following, and stuff. Okay, let me go back. Not only that, we also have functionality to follow someone. So if you want to follow, I have functionality to follow and follow. So that one is up to you who you want to follow. We also have suggested or see all users. So when you click on this one, we have trending users, we have suggested for you, we have most active users, we have latest story. We also have profile. That's the person who log in his profile. So when I click on this one, this is my profile. So for now, I posted only two story. So over here, I can create an highlight. For now, I don't have highlights. So when I click on create highlights, I can give the highlight a title. So over here, I can say I can call it cyber security. Then over here, I can give it a description. Safety first. Then over here, we can choose a cover. So the cover, I want this one. So as you can see over here, it will update automatically. No, I don't want this one. So I just want this one. So it's okay. So this is the cover. Then I can click on create. So when I click on create highlight, it will create the highlight for us. So as you can see, highlight created. So how do I see that my highlight is being created? I'll click on highlight. So as you can see, this is it. One story, and this is the title, cyber security. One story. Also, we can create. We also have save. So when the user posted, let's say a status that you want to save, you can save it here. We also have notification. We also have update avatar. So if I want to change the avatar, it's very simple. We have two ways: either upload a photo or an image, which is one way of changing the avatar, or generate from name. That's generate from the user full name. So if you want to generate from the user full name, then this is what you do. You just click on generate avatar, just click on it. Realize this is, so let's just refresh it. Okay, this is what we have. So it will generate, and we also have functionality to remove avatars. Can see here, there is it. We have functionality to remove then back to profile. We also have the setting page. As you can see here, we have the setting page. Mm, that's what we are going to create in this course. Join me and let's learn how to do that. But before that, we also have functionality to verify whether the user have logged in or not. So let's create a new dummy account to see. So to create a dummy account, we are going to use temp email address for our email address. Okay, because to prevent spam. So the name over here, I can choose any name at all that I want. So let me choose something that so Michael. Then make it maybe Michael too. So there is it. So it will generate the avatar for us, taking into consideration the initial of the user. Then why the username, let's make it Michael. Then the email, let's simply use this one. So just copy it from here. Then let's paste it here. The password, let me use this one. Then A. Then the same thing, let me use this one. Then A. So I think that's it. So now let's click on register. So as you can see, they said what? Registration successful. Please check your email to verify your account before logging in. So in order for you to log in, so if I want to access the index page, no, nothing will happen because I have not logged in. So you need to be able to now let's go to so as you can see this is it. This is my email. So as you can see, we also have what do you call it? A temp